This is Maya. Maya is a student. She is very shy. Shy means quiet and nervous around people. Maya loves to learn. She loves to read books. She loves to study. But Maya has one big problem. She is afraid to speak in class. Every day, the teacher asks questions. Other students raise their hands. They shout and wave their arms, but Maya stays quiet. She looks down at her desk. She hides behind her books. Maya knows many answers. She thinks about the questions, she has good ideas, but she never speaks. She is too afraid. At lunchtime, Maya sits alone. She eats her sandwich under a big tree. She watches the other students. They laugh together. They talk together. They play together. Maya feels lonely. Lonely means sad because you are alone. After school, Maya walks home by herself. The sun goes down. The sky turns orange and pink, but Maya does not see the beautiful sunset. She only thinks about her worries. She thinks, what if I speak and make a mistake? What if everyone laughs at me? What if my voice sounds strange? What if they think I am stupid? These thoughts fill her head every single day. One afternoon, the class ends. All the students leave quickly. They run outside to play. But Maya packs her books slowly. The teacher, Mrs. Chen, watches Maya. Mrs. Chen is a kind woman. She has taught for many years. She notices that Maya never speaks in class. Mrs. Chen walks over to Maya's desk. She sits down next to her. Maya looks surprised and a little scared. Mrs. Chen speaks in a gentle voice. She tells Maya that she is a very good student. She says Maya's test scores are excellent. Excellent means very, very good. But Mrs. Chen also says something else. She says she never hears Maya's voice. She asks Maya why she does not speak in class. Maya's face turns red. She looks down. She speaks very quietly. Her voice is almost a whisper. She tells Mrs. Chen that she is afraid to make mistakes. Mrs. Chen smiles at Maya. She tells Maya a secret. She says that when she was young, she was shy too, very shy, just like Maya. Mrs. Chen explains that everyone makes mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. Even doctors make mistakes. Even parents make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help us learn. Then Mrs. Chen says something important. She says that Maya's voice matters. Matter means to be important. She says the class needs to hear Maya's ideas. Mrs. Chen has a plan. She suggests they start small. Start small means begin with something easy. Tomorrow, Mrs. Chen will ask one easy question. She will call Maya's name. Maya does not need to raise her hand. She just needs to answer with one sentence. Just one sentence. Maya feels scared. Her stomach feels tight. But Mrs. Chen is kind. Maya trusts her. Trust means to believe someone will help you. Maya agrees. She will try. The next morning, Maya wakes up early. She cannot sleep well. She is very nervous. She walks to school slowly. Her legs feel heavy. Her heart beats fast. Beat, beat, beat. Maya sits in the classroom. The lesson begins. Mrs. Chen teaches about animals. Maya loves animals. She has a cat at home. Then, the moment comes. Mrs. Chen stops teaching. She looks at Maya and smiles. She asks Maya a simple question. She asks, "What is your favorite animal?" The classroom becomes quiet. All the students turn to look at Maya. Maya's hands begin to shake. Shake means to move because you are nervous. Maya takes a deep breath. She opens her mouth. Her voice is very quiet. She speaks. She says, "My favorite animal is a cat." That is all. Just one simple sentence. But for Maya, it is huge. Huge means very big and important. The students do not laugh. Nobody is mean. One girl smiles at Maya. A boy says he likes cats too. Maya feels surprised. She also feels something new. She feels a little bit proud. Proud means happy about something you did. Days pass, then weeks pass. Every day, Maya speaks a little bit more. First, she answers one question each day, then 2 questions, then 3. One day, something amazing happens. Maya raises her hand. She raises it high in the air. She does not wait for the teacher to call her name. She volunteers to answer. The whole class sees this. Some students clap their hands. Mrs. Chen has tears in her eyes. Happy tears. After class, a girl named Sarah walks up to Maya. Sarah asks if Maya wants to eat lunch together. Maya smiles big. She says yes. That day, Maya does not sit alone under the tree. She sits with Sarah. They talk and laugh. Maya has made her first friend. Maya learned something very important. She learned that being brave doesn't mean you are not afraid. Being brave means you do something even when you are afraid. She learned that everyone feels shy sometimes. Everyone gets nervous. Everyone makes mistakes. That is okay. That is how we learn. That is how we grow. Maya also learned that small steps lead to big changes. She started with just one sentence. Now she speaks in class every day. She has friends. She feels happy. The sunset looks beautiful now when Maya walks home. The sky is orange and pink and purple. Maya can finally see it. She smiles as she walks. Sometimes she even sings a little song. Remember, your voice is important. You have good ideas. It is okay to be shy. It is okay to be nervous. Start small. Take one step, then another step. You can do it, just like Maya did. Maya's story teaches us something very important. Being brave does not mean you have no fear. Being brave means you try, even when you feel afraid. Everyone feels shy sometimes. Everyone gets nervous. Everyone makes mistakes. This is normal. This is how we learn and grow. Just like Maya, you can do it too. 1. Shy equals quiet and nervous around people. Example, Tom is shy at parties. He stands in the corner and does not talk to anyone. 2. Afraid equals scared, feeling fear. Example, the little girl is afraid of the dark. She sleeps with a nightlight on. 3. Lonely equals sad because you are alone. Example, when John moved to a new city, he felt lonely because he had no friends there. 4. Mistake equals an error, something wrong. Example, I made a mistake on my math test. I wrote 5 plus 5 equals 9 instead of 10. Thank you for watching. Remember Maya's lesson, be brave, take small steps, and believe in yourself. See you in the next story.